The speed of light, denoted as c in physics, is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second in a vacuum. This fundamental constant of nature is a critical cornerstone of Einstein's theory of relativity, which revolutionized our understanding of space and time. The speed of light isn't faster or slower for several compelling reasons. Consistency of observations. Experiments and observations consistently support the notion that the speed of light is constant, regardless of the observer's motion. This uniformity is a fundamental postulate of Einstein's theory of special relativity. Time and space relationship. The speed of light is intrinsically tied to the fabric of spacetime. Altering its value would disrupt the delicate balance between space and time, leading to paradoxes and inconsistencies in our understanding of the universe. Energy-mass equivalence. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, demonstrates the profound relationship between energy and mass. If the speed of light were different, it would have profound implications for the energy-mass equivalence and the stability of matter. Cosmic constants. The value of the speed of light is interconnected with other fundamental constants of nature, such as the electric constant, epsilon, and the magnetic constant, mu. Changing c would necessitate changes in these constants, disrupting the laws of electromagnetism. Stellar observations. Our understanding of the cosmos relies on the constancy of c. If c were different, the behavior of stars, galaxies, and the propagation of light through space would be radically altered, making it impossible to reconcile astronomical observations with our theories. In summary, the speed of light isn't faster or slower because it is deeply intertwined with the structure of the universe, the consistency of observations, and the fundamental principles of physics. Any alteration to its value would require a fundamental reimagining of our understanding of the cosmos, which, based on extensive experimental evidence, appears to be unwarranted. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.